Good morning, Facebook land. How you doing? This is Freddie from your host from Gajin Garage. Thank you for 113 subscribers. Well, what we're doing today, we're in my house. You can see, you're not at the shop. But today, I'm doing an installation on the carpet on the S2. Also having a problem that when I put the window up, hit right here. So I'm gonna have to readjust the top and move it a little bit that way. So besides that, hit like, hit share the video everywhere else in the whole world. Thank you for subscribing. We're gonna start doing this in a minute. I'm gonna have to take out the seat in the passenger side. But first I want to see if we can attack this first. Because I have a long day today. And I have to be here back by 5 o'clock. I still got to go to the shop and the shop at the shop and the yellow S2000 that we're working on. I want to start working on that. I'm gonna move the door to the side, and I still have to paint my engine for the CRX and prep it. So I got a lot of things to do. I got 2 days I gotta work on because it's my days off. And so it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Let's see how far I go. So I took out my seat on my S2. It's not a pretty looking seat. I mean, I got a hole there, hole here. Don't worry, I'll be about to replace that, not today, but one day from now. So in here, what we got? So to take this carpet out, you see somebody already fixed it, somebody broke it. We gotta take this off, very easy. We got a couple clips to hold this in place, and they come out. You just put it back on. I gotta take this one out of here, so be careful with this. Move it to the side. Now we're gonna have to take this one off, and usually this is very easy to do, just like that. You see, I'm not doing nothing much, just playing around with it. And he should be popping out like that. See, nothing holding them in. Should have one right there. I don't have it. I gotta get one. Oops. Move this to the side. So the carpet's good. This comes off because the carpet's right here connected to that. Underneath here. Oh, this part of the carpet. This got to come out. So you got to screw here, screw here. This got to come out because of this carpet right here. See? Let me see if I can see it. Whoa, you got clips all the way around. So I got to take that out. Take that out right here. And then let me adjust the camera. Right there's one. That screws out. And then take this panel off. And you got one more clip there, one more clip over there. And this will come off. As you can see, this is where I'm replacing it. I got a hole in the carpet, so I'm replacing these. Okay, and right here, you gotta take this out. There's another screw, number 10, underneath there. That'll be it. So give me a few minutes. I'll take all that out, and I'll show you how it looks inside. It's a little bit sweaty here, but how you can see, my carpet got a couple holes in it, right there and there. We got this one from Orlando Heaven. Hit up Danny over there. He can hook you up. Apparently the owner before me had the Dynamat put all over the car. And Dan, that's pretty cool because one, you don't hear the road, two, the music sounds better. So I'm gonna vacuum a little bit down here. I'm gonna do. Look what I found. Wire that I don't need. I'm gonna put this better right here. I'm gonna vacuum real quick. I'm also gonna vacuum the carpet outside. Put it back together. And the only thing that you need for this job, to do this job, it's gonna be a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips, a number 10 socket, a 12 and a 15. That's it. And everything else, boom. Be careful because you got a lot of these little clips that can break. I already broke 2. But I have some more at the shop, so I'm gonna put them back on. It doesn't bother me. So let me vacuum everything and I'll show you what we've done. Okay guys, I just finished doing my carpet. As you can see, everything's back in the car. No more holes in my carpet. Next step is gonna be fixing my S2000 seats. I don't know if I want to put racing seats on them, or I'm gonna go with OEM, back to OEM. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna test drive my S2000, see how it feels. This is one of the modifications that I did to the top, and I gotta go to the shop now. It's about 9 o'clock. It took me an hour to do that. That's not bad. So I'm going to the shop right now and see what else I can get myself to.